Welcome back to our channel, viewers. Now in this case you've been told to find the area of the red rectangle. How do we find the area of this red rectangle? So if we transform this problem into the whiteboard, how do we find the area of the red rectangle? Now this is very simple. You can let the length of this red rectangle to be x and the height to be h. So it means all these will be h. Now from this point to this point you've been given to be 8 meters. So if here is x, then it means here is 8 minus x. Again, from this point to that point you've been given to be 7. So if this is x, then it means from this point to this point is 7 minus x. Now what is the red area? Now the red area is very simple. I want to show you the simplest technique to determine this. The red area is simply the length times width, x times h, meaning the red area is hx. So it means by the time we find hx, we would have found the red area. Now if we start with this area of 20 meters square, the area of this is length times width, that is h into 7 minus x is giving you an area of 20. Then again in this region, h times 8 minus x, h times 8 minus x is giving you an area of 25. Now if you open this bracket, h times 7, that is 7h minus h times x is hx is equals to 20. Then h times 8 is 8h minus h times x is hx is equals to 25. Now what do we do here? Remember, we want hx because hx is the red area. So for us to remain with hx, we get rid of these first terms. So if this is 7 and this is 8, we swap. The coefficient of h is 8, we multiply the upper equation with 8. The coefficient of h is 7, we multiply the down equation by 7. So 8 will multiply all the terms. 8 times 7 is going to be 56h. Then 8 times minus hx is minus 8hx is equals to 8 times 20 is 160. Again, 7 times 8h is going to be 56h. Then 7 times negative hx is going to be minus 7hx to be equals to 7 times 25. That is going to be 175. So if we find the difference of these two equations, 56h minus 56h is 0, negative 8hx minus negative 7hx. Remember, negative is positive. So you get there minus 8hx plus 7hx, negative into negative is positive, is equals to 160 minus 175 is negative 15. So negative hx plus 7hx is negative hx to be equals to negative 15. So if you multiply both sides by negative, you get hx is equals to 15, and our unit here is meter square. So hx is 15 meters square, and remember hx is the red area. It therefore implies that the red area is 15 meters square. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the simplest trick to determine the red area of this given figure. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next presentation.